Hello everyone, welcome to this session. We are excited to share that you can now monitor and analyze optimizer statistics in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Database Management Service for Oracle databases in Oracle Cloud and on-premises. This feature allows you to analyze and monitor the statistics, collection tasks, and optimizer statistics advisor tasks, and implement optimizer statistics advisor recommendations. Here is a short video that covers this feature in OCI Database Management Service. It is important that you monitor and understand if there are any stale statistics that may be impacting the database performance and if there are any missing statistics. Database management now supports the monitoring of optimizer statistics for Oracle databases. Oracle Database has an advisor called Optimizer Statistics Advisor, which helps you to improve the quality of statistics within the Oracle database. This diagnostic software analyzes information in the data dictionary, assesses the quality of statistics, and discovers how statistics are being gathered. It reports on poor and missing statistics and generates recommendations to resolve these problems. Using database management, you can now monitor and analyze optimizer statistics advisor tasks and implement optimizer statistics advisor recommendations. Here is a short demo of this feature. Let's look at a database named MFG. I am in the Managed Database Details page in the Database Management Service. Under Resources section, you could see Optimizer Statistics. Clicking on Optimizer Statistics will take you to the Optimizer Statistics page. You have a Summary tab which summarizes the object statistics within the database. You could see the current status of object statistics, how many of them are fresh, how many of them have no object statistics, and how many of them have stale statistics. You could also look at the statistics gathering tasks over a period of time. And here you see that on August 5th, we had a total of 16 tasks and 16 of them completed. If you have any of these tasks failed or in progress or pending, you would be able to report and analyze them. Scrolling down, you would be able to analyze the statistics gathering task in a much more sophisticated fashion, wherein you would be able to go to an individual task and analyze what happened with that particular task. In this case, the scope was an index and the gathering process was manual, and you see that the duration was 3 seconds. So similarly, you could see a lot of tasks got completed, what was the type, and if you want to see what were the type which were auto in nature, you can click on the type and then choose the auto filter so that you can apply the auto filter appropriately. So you could see that there were 476 total objects, and out of them 475 got completed. So this is in summary about the Optimizer Statistics tab. Now we can switch over to the Advisor tab. Advisor tab lists you the task summary from an Optimizer Statistics Advisor task perspective. So here you have 7 tasks completed. Similarly, you could see all the advisor tasks that were completed. Any of them that got cancelled or any of them had any fatal error would also be reported here. So you could again run the advisor tasks either manually or in an automatic fashion. If you scroll down, you would be able to see the advisor task list. And if you click on one of these advisor tasks, you would be able to see the details of these findings. You could see that there are 4 findings for this particular advisor task. And if you drill down, you can see all the rules by means of which the advisor gives you a recommendation and also gives you a rationale. For example, this particular rule called as use default parameters. There are 4 statistics operations using non-default parameters. So the recommendation is to use default parameters for statistics operations. And the rationale was that using default parameter values for statistics gathering operations is more efficient as a best practice recommendation. If you would like to implement all these recommendations, you can click on Implement All Recommendations. By default, the database management would create a job with a pre-created name and a description. You can change the name and the job description that matches to your requirements. You can provide the database username and credentials, and then you could choose to use a bucket wherein you can post the results of this job so that you could understand more about this job. And ultimately, you can also show the SQL corresponding to this particular job. and this would implement all your recommendations. So this is all we have for this feature. Thank you for watching.